Hello guys.
How did I get here?
Welcome back to my channel, Life with Nwarinma. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been there, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting me. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cook Eshewu. Like this video, subscribe, turn on notification to get notified whenever I upload my new video. Let's get started. Ingredients you will need are goat head. So for those of you that don't know what is goat head, this is how it looks like in the market. Then when you buy it, you ask them to chop it for you into shape like this. Red oil, pepper, salt, then potash. You need potash or ncha. That's one that name ncha. I don't know the name in English, so if you know the name, can you leave it in the comment section for me, please? Then onion. I start off by washing my goat head, sprinkling some salt, because I normally use salt to wash. Then I drain the water away and repeat the process. I gently place it inside my clean pot. I go ahead and cut my onion to parboil my goat head. Then I added the onion. I add salt. I forgot to mention this seasoning, like 2 Maggi in my ingredients, but I still add it. Then I added pepper. You can see I added a tablespoon of pepper, but add to your preference. Okay, here I'm adding half cup of water to get more juices out of the goat head. And then you stir. Then I cover and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. Guys, you can see the juicy part of it. So if you want to check your meat, whether it's soft enough to use for your Eshewu, see, you press it, see? You you can see. I can even use my hand to split it. So that shows that it's ready. Now, I transfer the goat head into a clean bowl. I'm making my Eshewu now. First of all, I added the ncha, but there's another method. You can use a potash. Yeah, two of them are good to make Eshewu. As you can see, the ncha is sieved already, so that's why I'm using it. Next, I added my palm oil. I add a big spoon of palm oil, then I stir. I add a tablespoon of pepper, then I slice my onion into smaller sizes. See, very small. I add one Maggi, a tablespoon of salt. I taste salt and pepper. Yeah. Then I go ahead and add my goat meat. I mix it together. Nke a bụ ngwongwo Eshewu. Guys, this one is going to be yummy. I'm taking you guys now to Owerri. We are going to Owerri in Owerri, Imo State. So how many of you want to go to Owerri? Should raise up your hand. Then leave comments in the comment section. I leave it to heat for about 2 minutes and I added my otazi. This is the finishing product, guys. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe. Turn on your notification button to get notified for my next video. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye. See you soon.